Right. Day 4 of the trip.
Yep. Well, day 4 of Alta Via.
Yeah. Yeah, sorry, yeah, day 4 of Alta Via.
I believe day 10.
Yeah. 2 massive bombs in the toilet.
I wonder who that was.
No. And then we had to run off because a woman turned the corner to go to the toilet, and the toilet was disgusting in there. No toilet should be left in that state.
Moves it up today at least.
Yeah, especially after bloody yesterday though. Good sleep and a nice rest. Couldn't go better.
Look at that mountain.
Gorgeous.
Great.
Oh yeah.
We'll give you an update most likely at lunch. That's great.
All this guy talks about food, mate.
I'm hungry already.
Yeah.
Are you guys not? Our breakfast is horror every time. Good.
Little break. Yeah. Quite a long, slow burner of an incline, I think. It's pretty good progress though so far. Just got to get up there. That path up there. Looking good breath though. Great. Gorgeous mountain in the back. I feel like morale's pretty high.
A lot better than yesterday.
Yeah. Making good progress so far. Where the hell's the trail go? Up here, I think. Yeah. Oh, great. More below snow, baby. Oh, it's that little marmot again. Oh shit. I actually love the little marmots. They're so cute. I really want to feed them. I want to feed them a nut from one of them. Oh, there he is. Oh, so cute. Oh, they're so cute, man. I thought I'm so pissed they didn't alert us to the ibex, bro.
Yeah, that would have been crazy.
Oh, it's so cute. Right, should we? It's always taking them off. Little snack break. Buy a little hut. Got the snack mix. What have you got? Walnuts? You said you mixed it, yeah, just grabbed.
What?
Gorgeous of you though. Hut number 2 of today. Not bad view. Right next to the road though. cool mountain.
Hopefully good terrain.
Hopefully a quiet road. There's another mountain in the back as well. Yeah, gorgeous. Oh. Lunch, got the venison tagliatelle.
It's a classic round here.
And then speck and gnocchi, I think.
Yeah.
Lovely. Thank you, grazie. Had a disgusting incline.
Still do.
And still got another disgusting incline. And then we should be at the hut, which is next to the lake, which is where we're going to find our camping spot.
Yeah. Currently about 4 o'clock, so done a lot of walking today.
Yeah, done a lot. Should be alright though.
Yeah.
Not too bad. Yeah, just very tired. I bet it's been ridiculously hot today as well.
It's been so hot.
Yeah.
That's the main issue.
Yeah.
No, it's not hot, it's just been sunny.
Yeah, exactly. I feel like I'm getting baked in the sun.
Yeah. Like no clouds.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, right now it's lovely. But
Got my back in.
made it up the
Refugio.
Let's go up a little. Yeah, you can't see it's behind, but a little bit up, and then we're at the lake, I think. But that was a terrible incline. Horrible. But we're up now. Just got to the top of the incline, greeted with a horrid sight. The The lake we wanted to jump in.
Oh no, that's what's alright.
Turns out it's actually got ice all over it.
That's what's alright, and you've seen people, other people have done it as well. Yeah. Want to swim? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm definitely going in.
Yeah, has to be done.
Stink like
Down there, yeah.
Camping spot wise.
Not Lingerbrev.
Not the best. I saw that maybe up on that mound up there is flat, but...
Oh, so far.
Let's get down there and maybe over there? Oh, that's not very
It's got
good.
snow on it though.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Go for a swim first then.
Yeah.
Yeah, my feet are already numbing. This is bad. I could have a shower somehow. Yeah, I will.
Jesus Christ.
Mate, 4 days. I'll have a shower, mate. I'm cleaning myself off. Nah, bro.
That is fucked up. Oh my.
I feel clean.
I feel clean. Worth it.
That's bad. You guys stayed in for a long time, man. Fair play. And I was actually rubbing it again.
I feel a million times better. The sweat's all come off now.
Hey, can you leave the towel right there? Yeah. I need it ASAP.
I mean, parts of it is frozen.
Oscar, just send it. Send it and clean yourself off, my friend. Get the hair renewal, mate. Get the hair renewal. Get the arms and the tits. Oh. Mate. Oh. Mate, get the face, get the hair. It's cold in here.
Camp spot. Probably our sketchiest setup so far. Pretty slanted, but what a view. So it's all worth it, isn't it? Unless we get no sleep. I feel like it might be alright though. Yeah. It is pretty slanted though. I've doubled up on the tomato and herb. Lovely little view. Yeah, what are you going for?
Mexican chili again.
Mexican chili. Lucky man. Oscar?
I haven't checked yet. What
Oh shit, okay.
Wait, what are you having?
Doubled up on the tomato and herb. It's the only thing I had two of, so
Oh, really?
yeah, I had to smack them both in.
Can't really go wrong with that.
Yeah, it's going well. Ian's just realised he has to do an online training by the 21st.
I've done it.
You've done it?
I've done it. Apparently I might have missed one out, but...
Well, seems like you might not be getting the job, mate.
Taking a mick. Sounds like refugio little session. Get it done.
Get the online training done, mate. Going for a little game of cards.
And none of your necks getting bitten.
No, mate, you must just be good food, mate.
If I leave a single bit of skin untouched,
Hey, let me have a little bite. Let me try it. How's that tasting?
It's good.
It's good. He's gone for the double Mexican chili. Lucky bastard. That's like gold dust.
Where'd my tissues go?
I stole them all. It was the marmot.
I need them. This guy's gonna get cooked by the queue.
The Mexican chili's too much to handle.
It's making me cry.
Mate, I swear to God, those bees sound like helicopters. They're so loud. Don't know if you can see it, but
There's
up there, that's the second avalanche that we've seen.
It's not an avalanche, it's just a little tumble.
It's a lot of snow falling off a cliff.
It's on our path.
Safety.
It's not snow, it's pure rock.
Yeah, it's pure rock and snow. And it's right on our path for tomorrow. It's not looking good, Bev.
Let's see if we dash that bit tomorrow.
Yeah, might have to do your run again, mate. Oh. Oh well. Hopefully we'll be alright.
We'll find out tomorrow.
Yeah.